Question number 7, subdivision A. The diagram shows a field ABCD with B north of A. BD is the path across the field. AB, AD, BD, angle BDC, angle BCD are all given and marked in the diagram also. The first subdivision says, show that angle CBD is 81 degree. So CBD, so they are referring to this angle CBD. In triangle CBD, angle CBD is equal to, other two angles are there. So 180 minus 60 plus 39, which gives us 81 degree. Let's mark that in the diagram. That's the answer. Yes, so we have proved it. So hence proved. Subdivision 2. Calculate CD. Calculate CD. So again, I am focusing on this triangle CBD. So in triangle CBD, I have this 81, opposite of which is CD, and I have this angle 60, opposite of which is 129. So I use this sine rule here. Sine 60 by 129 is equal to sine 81 by CD. So CD is equal to sine 81 into 129 the whole by sine 60, which gives us 147.12 meters. 147.12. So let me mark it here also in the diagram. Fine. Then subdivision 3. Show that the angle ABD is equal to 31.6. ABD. ABD. So now they are asking for ABD. In triangle ABD, we have the quantities 85 and 72. And 129 also. So let's apply the cosine rule. Cos angle ABD will be equal to 85 square plus 129 square minus 72 square by 2 times 85 into 129. Angle ABD will be cos inverse of this entire quantity, which gives us 31.58. Yeah. So this angle is 31.58. Subdivision 4. Find the shortest distance from A to BD. Shortest distance from A to BD. So let me drop a perpendicular from A to BD and name this point as M. So AM would be the shortest distance and no other line would be the shortest. So now let us look into the triangle ABM. In ABM, we have this hypotenuse which is 85 and we have the angle 31.58 degree. So I can apply sine in triangle ABM. Sine angle ABM is equal to AM by AB. So AM is equal to AB times sine angle ABM, which is 85 times sine 31.58, which gives us 44.51 meters. This is the perpendicular 44.51. Next subdivision. Find the bearing of B from C. Bearing of B from C. Now let me draw a perpendicular at this point C to represent north. BC, taking BC as a transversal. Taking BC as a transversal, and these two lines are parallel to each other. Both the knots are parallel to each other. Now the angle NCB will be the sum of 31.58 plus that 81 degree. That means these two angles, which is nothing but 112.58. Now we have to get the bearing of B from C. That means this entire angle is 360. From this entire angle 360, let's remove this 112.58, which gives us 360 minus 112.58, which is 247.42 degrees. I'm supposed to write it there in the space given, but I have calculated it already. So 247.42 degrees. 360 minus 112.58. This is what I had done there. Subdivision 6. Trees are planted in the field. The number of trees planted is 1100 per hectare. Calculate the total number of trees planted in the field. So for this question, we have to calculate the area of this field ABCD. Being a quadrilateral, I can divide this shape into two triangles, which is triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD. Let's go in with the sine, which is half 85 into 129 times sine 31.6, and 85 into 129. And the next triangle is BCD. 129 into 147.12 and this sine 39. Half times 129 into 147.12 sine 39. On calculating this, Um, we get 8839.65, and our answer will be in meter square. So let's convert this in hectares, which is 0.883965 hectares. And so number of trees is equal to, so this multiplied by, they are given number of trees per hectare. So we just have to multiply that with this, which gives us 972. Subdivision B. A rectangle has an area of 9400 centimeter square, rounded to nearest 100 centimeter square. So let me take it down with the boundaries. Area is greater than or equal to, it is 9350 on the lower limit and 9450 on the upper limit. The length of the rectangle is 80 centimeter, which has been corrected to nearest 10 centimeter. So L, lower boundary is 75 and upper boundary is 85. Width of the rectangle. So width of the rectangle is area divided by length. So let's focus on the upper bound. It is 9450 area, upper bound of the area, by lower bound of the length. So 9450 divided by 75 gives me 126.